Do you guys want to flip houses and make $100,000 like we do? It is very simple, and you need three things. The first thing is a SOW, scope of work. This is a very detailed document that just has everything listed out on what you're going to get done, from the type of cabinets, type of flooring, the color of the walls, the type of lights. Everything is spelled out very easy and very good for your contractor. The second thing you're going to need is a budget for the whole entire project. This can get tricky sometimes, so if you need help, in the link in my bio, there's a deal calculator that actually helps you go in there and puts the square footage to give you a rough estimate on what that renovation should cost, okay? The final thing is finding good contractors. This is the hardest part of the job. The best way to do this a lot of times is you can go to other job sites to see their work just by driving around. Two, you can go to Home Depot or Lowe's to check out those to meet contractors. One of my favorite is Facebook. Just go there and ask for referrals. The referral is the best thing, and you can ask that investor exactly what's going on and what type of contract they are. Make sure your bid also always includes labor and materials. That way you can stay on budget no matter what happens. Since they have the scope of the work, they know exactly what you want, so there's no mishaps there. If you found this video informative, go ahead and like and follow me for more. And don't forget to give it a share. It takes 2 seconds. Thanks.